Hey guys, welcome back to Creatober Day 6. So if you want to get the project file from this video, you can become a Patreon member. All of the 31 project files from Creatober will be available for the inner core members on my Patreon channel. So that means that you can get the PSD files, Illustrator files, Cinema 4D files, anything that I use in that project. If you want to learn more, check out the link in the description down below. For today's word race, I wanted to do some racing logos in Adobe Illustrator because I did this a lot back in the day. I practiced Illustrator a lot when doing racing logos, and when I look back on doing these, I think that these helped me learn and master Illustrator the most, I think. When making these logos, I always imagined them being on a racing jersey, and that's exactly what we're gonna make for this video. A Dreadlabs Racing Jersey. I started off with some flame illustrations and stars, and I worked my way towards having several logos. If I had more time to do this, I would probably make way more logos, because I can remember I have some Illustrator files where I have over 40 logos in them. I then use the Longsleeve Mockup from my website to determine where I should want each graphic. Since the first week of Creatober will already be finished tomorrow and I made an A3 poster for every day up until now, I figured I'd grab the mockup and put them on an A3 poster too, so I have 31 A3 posters to print at the end of this challenge. I'm not sure if I'm actually gonna pull that off, but for now I think it's a nice thing to work towards. Like I said in the beginning of the video, you can get the project file from this video, so the PSD files, Illustrator files, Cinema 4D files, whatever, on my Patreon channel. There's a link down in the description if you want to check it out. And be sure to check in again tomorrow for the next day of Creatober.